So we'll start with the base. Take the measurement of your product. Now add 0.5 centimeters to each because we want the Polaroid to fit in the box easily. Now add the borders. We have to add it twice because when we make a box, we have to make sure both the borders are equal. Now this is the dimension we are going to put in the Word file. Now for the lid, I'll be adding 0.15 centimeter because if we keep the measurement equal, the lid won't fit the base. When adding the border to the lid, you have to make sure that the border of the lid is smaller than the border of the base. That is all we had to do to calculate the dimension. Select a blank document. Now insert a picture of your choice. You have to crop it according to the measurement we calculated earlier. Once that is done, move the object in the middle so that you can add the picture of your logo. Resize it according to your choice. I'll be keeping it 5 by 5 centimeters. Now group both of them together. After grouped, select the object and keep it in line with text. Now we'll go ahead with the base. Insert a square shape and resize it according to the measurement we calculated earlier. I'm really sorry for you not able to see the drop box. There was something up with the screen recorder. I don't want to put the logo, so I'll just remove that by ungrouping it and removing the logo. I've set these boxes in an A3 layout. Now just save it into a PDF format so that you can print it. Print the PDF on an A3 size cardstock sheet. I already had a printout with me, so I decided to cut it and show it to you guys. You don't really need a scoring board for this. You can just go ahead with an embossing tool and a scale or just 2 scales. We calculated the borders earlier, 2 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters. That is just what we have to score. Now cut the slits and stick them to the. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if there is any kind of tutorial you want, please let me know in the comment section below. Or you can just message me on Instagram. I'll link my profile in the description box. Thank you for watching.